Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now that I have I had to I had to do deleting some videos off my phone just to get some storage back. But we are up here hiking. Yes, my brother met me up there. He tied this string back, and we just came from down there. We could probably do an extended video. Oh, this is a big rock. Looks like it's gonna fall. Probably later. Later in the years, it's gonna fall.
Probably when it rains.
Yes.
That thing's gonna cave in right there.
Yep. Right now we're by cliffside, and I say that's about 20-30 foot drop. Okay, let's make it up.
Yeah, hopefully bear crawls, huh, bro? Okay, my brother's way down there.
Yeah, my brother the phone, he's up there.
Yep.
I'm coming up.
Yep, that's me.
Yeah, I'll use the...
So that yeah, that big rock over here,
Caleb,
right there. What?
down here.
Okay. He's coming.
We're using a twine rope.
Yeah. We used to have a rope up here.
Yeah, but it snapped.
No. Remember Grandma used it?
Yeah.
She had to get the sheep. But I think that's when we were butchering.
Yeah.
She had to grab.
To come up here and kind of...
I think it was me and you, huh?
Yeah.
We had to come up here, jump all the way down there.
This is a long hike up.
Look. Look at us. We are up here, but look at down there.
Okay, so guys, to show you where we're at. I'm pretty sure you guys saw this already. We're in the shade. And it gets nice and green back here.
Hello.
My brother's going down. This is our favorite place to go. To crawl up, to hike up, and have stronger legs. My brother and sister are way over there. About right there. I think they're gonna come up. We have the other little puppy coming up. Okay. Right there, he's coming up. He has a... What does he have in his mouth? Olive, what do you have? Oh, he has a crow. Oh, he caught it. Okay, he has a crow in his mouth. No, he's coming up. Oh, what is that? What is that? What does he have? What is that? What does he have in his mouth? Which one? Oh, the crows. They're gliding. Okay, gotta watch my step. Yeah. Practicing on some bear crawl. We start from down there. We come up and we're bear crawling. When you're down there, it doesn't seem that high. But when you're up here, this is the kind of footage you get up here. If you go up to that high, tall rock over there, you could probably see Kianta. You could probably get some cell phone service up there, and I think over there. So I think this is the video I did last time, guys. The one that got 10,000 views. This is what I was showing you guys. Once I get it up to a higher point, where I can show you in the shade. And seems like some rocks fell down. We have a dog down there. Dog right there. Seems like our brother and sister is coming up. Watch out for the yucca.
You guys better watch out.
Watch out for the yucca.
Kai has never been done up here.
Kobe hasn't been up here in a long time.
Kai, you have now know where you're. What are you doing?
Footing. I would jump off, But there's rocks.
Hey,
I'm not gonna jump.
this is where we used to do dangerous flips.
Yes, we would go down and we would jump, tumble, and roll all the way to that rock over there, and then we come back up.
Yep.
It was a fun thing to do during the summer, but
That was hot.
yes, it was hot, even more hotter.
Hotter than
Probably like 103 degrees. We would do that just because we had nothing to do. And then whenever the sheep would get lost, we would come up here and search for them.
Wait, Brian.
Because when we're down there, we don't even know where they're at. That's cool. I want to go this way. I've never been up here in a long, long time. Probably about 4 to 5 years. I haven't been down here. When I lived at Saley, I've been up here a bunch of times. Oh, dang. Let me get down. Smells good. Step on a bunch of different plants. The juice, whatever comes out, and it smells good. Used to be plant vines that are growing up here. Oh my gosh, we're right underneath the rock. Looks like that rock's gonna. Yeah, I think that rock's gonna fall. Oh my gosh, that looks so cool. He's way over there. Let's go catch it. This isn't like the what do you call it? Oh, okay. Wait. Let me get right there. This is not like the what do you call it? Spring water. It's not like the spring water.
I'm gonna help them.
Okay.
So they know where you go.
Sadie came up. Is that Sadie? That's Carmen?
Yeah. Sadie.
Here's the crow.
Yo, people.
I said, watch the yucca. Once that yucca hits your leg, you're gonna have some irritations coming in. Cause oh my gosh, I hit my hand with the yucca. It knocked my whole arm out, and then it hurt. There goes the crow. Oh. There's a cornfield way over there. So, you think I can make it down? Or like going that way, going on my butt or something like that? Or I can either come out this way. Hold on to the rocks. Does anybody know what kind of plants those are? Oh, they smells like earthworms. Oh, that's scary. You know what? I think water came down and destroyed it right here because it did not look like that. That's scary. Okay, let's go. Oh, dang. Those guys are having a wild time down there trying to get up. There's some plants around here. They grow around here. It's kind of like a water plant, and they help with blisters. Oh, it's these ones. It's these plants. We'll let these grow. These are the ones my grandma said that they help with blisters. It's like a water plant. Not blisters, but yeah, these ones. I think it was warts. My brother did have warts, and I guess my grandpa had cut it off and then applied one of those plants on there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this whole thing fell. There used to be a trail that comes along. There's a trail that came along all the way through here and out that way. The sheep would sometimes come up here. You know, it's fun. What's this? It's a leaf. Okay. I thought it was a, whatchamacallit. Oh my gosh. Are they barely coming up? You guys ready to climb this hill? That hill is taller than me. I came down right there, and I'm kind of wanting to go back up right here. Let's try it. Ah, stop. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. Meet you back. Okay, guys. Sister finally came back up. She was crying. I couldn't start the video when she was crying. She was crying real bad. Most likely screaming. And my brother's saying there's snakes. And there's no snakes out. Maybe underneath the rocks, but not right now because it's cold. It's cold out here. Probably not right here. Oh, just to have a, like, do a panorama out here would be nice. Let's see. There's nothing much to talk about. If I had a rope, I would be able to climb up there. And there's the... So let me come up onto the side. Okay. Let's do a steady picture. Looks nice. Crow. One beautiful place we have here.
Look at Malia, look. She's laying on her butt. You want to try that? You try it, look.
Everything's down there. Looks nice. I want to make a garden down here. Would be nice. Looks like we're gonna go down, guys. Dogs are over there. Sadie and Carmen. We got Olive coming. It's kind of risky going down there. Carmen. That's loud. Her echo ended way over there. That's rock. That looks like a snail. And oh my gosh. Kind of ruining a plantation up here, though. This is the rock I hit. And it was scary. That's cool. That's really cool. We're coming down. I don't know if I was doing a stabilized video coming down. Probably love to surf down. From up there to down here. This place looks pretty nice. They're running across. Okay, that way's not good. Okay, we're making our way down. Oh my gosh, puppies, watch you. Okay, that was good. Okay. You're gonna have to be what? Careful. Oh, yeah, this is the old path to get down too.
we used to go to. Old town.
We're gonna jump off that. About a good old 5-foot drop. We're gonna jump off of it.
Look how she's jumping.
I jumped off of it like 3-4 times.
I'm gonna jump.
Watch your boots. Those rocks are easy to slide.
I don't check these rocks.
Yeah.
Oh, look at! You guys have not seen this on a mountain.
This is not a mountain. This is like barely a hill.
You guys never seen this before. Comment down below.
So anyways, the water comes down. It'll shoot right off there. And then there'll be water coming down through that gap. Coming down these stairs like.
I'll record you.
Ah!
Right, you jump, I'll record you.
Can you keep it nice and stabilized on me?
Yeah?
No, I'm gonna jump. Of course, I'm not gonna jump down there because that's about 7, 8, 10 foot. I'm gonna jump right there. Get away from me.
Go! For the YouTube.
It's just that I never jumped right
People,
there.
you have, right? You have.
In a long time, I have not
Hey.
jumped.
People, subscribe for safety.
Yes.
If you don't, he might just,
I might fall into those.
Yeah, if you don't subscribe, so you better subscribe.
Hold it.
Okay.
Watch out your hand.
So people,
Kill, watch out your hand.
I know.
Keep it about right there. It's still recording, Kill.
Okay. So people, here's my performance.
Oh.
He's scared. Those people are having a hard time.
Yes, they are having a hard time. Okay,
So-
we're gonna go down.
Okay, ready? For the performance. 3.
Point it over there.
I'll give you a count heart to count it. And 5, 4.
Watch your hand.
Wait, and
Your finger.
it's okay. I can.
Oh, okay.
See. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Yo! Yo! Yo!
Oh, I'm scared.
Yo!
I'll get the camera.
Yo! You better not sleep in that.
Okay.
You
Oh,
guys better sleep. I think.
that's scary. That was scary.
Thanks you guys for subscribing for safety.
I lived. It was pretty scary, but we're gonna have to get up. The doggos all live. The doggos are here. Anyways, guys, we were able to come down with no scratches, nothing. Maybe about a good scratch there of my skin coming off. But we were all good for now. Never looked at the camera in a long time. So, yeah. Sun's about to set. We were just up there. I wanna go up there sometimes. So we are down again. We're down here. And it looks pretty nice. You know what? I'm gonna risk it for my phone. I'm gonna put you guys in there. Let's see what's in there.
Yeah. Look at this part.
Which one?
Look over here. That is cool. And there's a rope over here. There's stuff in there. Like, look at that rope.
There's that twine that's in there.
I don't know what.
Let's see how it looks in there.
And there's also where Ho gone.
Hi, my name is Tokyo.
Turn on my light. I love filming the rocks. They look nice. Yo. Big old tumbleweed.
Look at this rock. You want to take a picture of it?
We do have the light on.
Look at this right here.
pretty nice.
Up here.
Oh. Huh?
Get out of the frame.
Okay. Really nice place back there.
Give me bike tin.
Okay, wait.
Oh,
Let me
it's-
get over here. There's actually some nice rock parts that are coming around here. That's the only part that we have. But there's even going up there. Like the best thing. We do have some trees. What's this? Oh, I thought it was metal because it looked like on that side. Looks like metal, but on this side it's actually part of a roof. Caleb, I told you not to ride that bike. You're gonna mess up the tires. Let's put you guys inside the truck. This is the truck. Actually, part of a truck. It's scary in there. It's hotter. Oh, damn. A lot of stuff in there. What's this? Oh, it's a bit heavy. You guys know what that is?